Stop for a second and look at the gear you are currently using. Is it actually helping you create, or is it holding you back? Are you tired of missing the shot because your autofocus lagged? Are you sick of carrying a massive rig just to get cinematic footage? The game is about to change forever. We are not just talking about a camera upgrade. We are talking about a paradigm shift in filmmaking. The comprehensive, no-nonsense breakdown of the Sony FX3 II. If you are serious about video, if you want your footage to look indistinguishable from a Hollywood blockbuster, do not skip a single second of this video. The next 30 minutes will redefine your workflow. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The filmmaking industry is ruthless. The audience demands higher quality, faster turnaround times, and more cinematic visuals every single day. The original Sony FX3 was a monster. It redefined low-light performance. But it was not perfect. The FX3 II is the answer to every single complaint filmmakers had. This is Sony taking the raw power of the Venice II and shrinking it into a form factor that fits in the palm of your hand. It is not just a tool, it is a weapon for creators. Let's talk about the heart of this beast, the sensor. We are looking at a brand new, 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. But megapixels don't matter for video, right? Wrong. This sensor is engineered specifically for dynamic range and speed. The rolling shutter, the bane of digital filmmaking, is practically eliminated. You can pan, tilt, and move as fast as you want, and your footage will remain tack-sharp with no distortion. This sensor is the foundation of the cinematic look. But the real magic is in the low light. We already know Sony's prowess here, but the FX3 II takes it to a terrifying new level. We are talking about a revised base ISO that allows you to shoot in near total darkness and still produce usable, clean footage. Imagine shooting a scene lit only by moonlight and having it look as clear as a brightly lit studio set. That is not an exaggeration. That is the power of the FX3 II. The noise floor has been lowered to a point where ISO 25600 looks like 3200 on other cameras. This frees you from lighting setups. This gives you freedom. Let's talk about that cinematic image. The color science has been completely overhauled. We are moving beyond just S-Log3. The FX3 II introduces a new color profile designed specifically to emulate the film look straight out of the camera. The skin tones are richer, more natural, and require less post-production work. For USA audience standards, where quick turnaround and high polish are demanded, this is crucial. You are saving hours in the editing bay. Now, speed. Not just the sensor speed, but the autofocus. Sony's real-time tracking is already the industry standard, but the AI chip in the FX3 II changes everything. It doesn't just track eyes, it understands human posture, predicting movement before the subject even moves. If you are shooting documentary style, if you are shooting fast-paced sports, or even run-and-gun weddings, you will never miss focus again. This is autofocus you can trust blindly. But a camera is more than just specs. It's how it feels in your hands. The ergonomics of the FX3 II have been refined based on feedback from real-world cinema professionals. The grip is deeper, more comfortable for long shooting days. The button placement is intuitive.